Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling mobile data and turning on your phone's personal hotspot. This allows the Ps5 to see the network. Set a clear SSID and a strong password, and make sure to note any carrier tethering limits so you don't lose service mid-game. Once done, keep your phone near the console to reduce interference. You'll also want to disable VPNs and background syncing on the phone because they can slow the connection and raise latency. Now on the Ps5 you go to Settings, Network, then Set up Internet Connection. Choose Wi-Fi and scan for your phone's SSID. You must type the hotspot password exactly because one wrong character blocks the link. Once connected, run the connection test to check NAT type, latency, and bandwidth. If your phone supports 5 GHz, choose that band to reduce interference and improve throughput. Otherwise, 4 GHz works, but expect higher ping. Make sure the phone remains unlocked briefly during setup. To finish, optimize settings. Set your phone to never sleep or use an always-on hotspot option and close background apps to free bandwidth. If you see high ping or dropped packets, move the phone closer, disable Bluetooth, and toggle airplane mode, then re-enable mobile data and hotspot. This often resets the radio and lowers latency. If problems persist, restart both devices and confirm your carrier allows tethering on that SIM. These steps solve most issues and keep your Ps5 gaming smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.